Hi guys, we are talking about the Vivo IQ Neo 9 Pro versus Vivo IQ 12 Pro. The Vivo IQ Neo 9 Pro launched on December 2023 with the price tag of $500 and Vivo IQ 12 Pro launched on November 2023 with the price tag of $800. The dimension is same and the weight of these devices. The Vivo IQ Neo 9 Pro
body
have 196 gram and the Vivo IQ 12 Pro 205 gram. The both device come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and it come with dual SIM support. And the display of the devices, the Vivo IQ Neo 9 Pro come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color, and the same Vivo IQ 12 Pro come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color. And the screen size, the both device come with same 6.78 inches
display
and the resolution of the devices. The Vivo IQ Neo 9 Pro come with 1.5K resolution and the Vivo IQ 12 Pro come with 2K resolution. And the PPI density, the Vivo IQ Neo 9 Pro come with 553 PPI density and the Vivo IQ 12 come with 518 PPI density, and the refresh rate is same 144 Hz. The screen to body ratio, the Vivo IQ Neo 9 Pro come with 89.7% and Vivo IQ 12 Pro come with 89.4%. And the screen protection, the both device come with Scotch extension up protection. And the brightness of screen, the Vivo IQ 9 Pro come with 1400 nits peak of brightness and the Vivo IQ 12 Pro come with 3000 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The Vivo IQ Neo 9 Pro come with dual camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide and the 50 megapixel ultra wide, and it's record 8K 30fps video. And the Vivo IQ Neo 9 and the Vivo IQ 12 Pro come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 8K 30fps video. Let's talk about the front camera of these devices. The both devices come with 16 megapixel of selfie camera and it's record 1080p 30fps video with selfie camera. And the platform, the Vivo IQ Neo 9 Pro and the Vivo IQ 12 Pro come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4, and the chipset, the Vivo IQ Neo 9 Pro come with MediaTek 9300 4nm chipset, and the Vivo IQ 12 Pro come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. And the GPU, the Vivo IQ Neo 9 Pro come with Motorola G720 and the Vivo IQ 12 Pro come with Adreno 750, and the both devices come with Android 14 operating system. Let's go to the memory setup. The Vivo IQ Neo 9 Pro and the Vivo IQ 12 Pro come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM and the same internal storage, 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage, and no SD card support in both mobiles. And the battery backup of these devices, the Vivo IQ Neo 9 Pro come with 5160 mAh battery and the Vivo IQ 12 Pro come with 5100 mAh battery. And the fast charging of these devices, the both devices come with 120 watt fast charging, and only Vivo IQ 12 Pro have 50 watt wireless charging.
Memory,
and the both devices come with 5G network support, and the common and feature is same. The result of the devices, the Vivo IQ Neo 9 Pro come with got 21 points and the Vivo IQ 12 Pro got 26 points.
battery, comms and features.